environmental hygiene. Surroundings also should be clean and neat. That's why clean and green both they are clean and green like that. So only when there is good hygiene, personal hygiene and environmental hygiene, whatever water we give or whatever sanitation we provide will have value. If there is no there is no hygiene, proper hygiene, personal hygiene or whatever, then what, even if you take good water and good sanitation, toilets, etc., you will be contracted with diseases. Suppose you have got good water and good sanitation, toilets, etc., but you don't wash your hands after coming out of toilet. What will happen? Yeah. Germs will enter the body and you will get disease. Yes or no? That is hygiene. Okay. Got the point now? So, Government of India has also taken up many schemes like Jal Jeevan Mission, National Rural Water Supply, like that. And all of schemes have been taken up by the Government of India as well as this again Mission Bhagiratha. Telangana mein Mission Bhagiratha scheme is there for drinking water, right? Okay, you are getting or not? Understand? Next. So this is Jal Jeevan Mission. That is Jal for Jeevan. If you want to live, you should have clean water at your home, in your home, through a tap in your home. Okay. So almost 14 crore. That means 140 connections. 140 million connections have been given already. 140 million. That means 14 crore connections. House service connections have been given already under this Jal Jeevan Mission. So it's a very good scheme which gives healthy water, clean water, which will provide you good health. Next please. Affordable and clean energy. So you have clean water, clean energy sources like what we have discussed already. Okay. So and clean energy can be concentrated or distributed. You can have distributed solar systems in small villages. Even for pumping water for crops also, you can have motors, solar pump sets. Nowadays it's a scheme. Government is having a scheme also. Government of India. PM Kusum.